Good morning, students, and I'm happy to start a mathematics for grade 9. It will be a very slow and easy study. So first we'll be seeing about a mathematics problem of long division method. So step by step, very slowly we will be going on it. So whoever sees it, you can learn in the same manner how we are going to formulate the entire mathematics problem. So I'm happy whoever watches here, kindly watch it fully. So the problem is express 7 by 8 in the decimal form by long division method. Express 7 by 8, that is 7 divided by 8, in the decimal form by long division method. So we will find out the solution for this. Take the divisor up below and keep inside what you have to divide. So 7, 8. So with 8 you have to divide 7. So just keep a dot. So and add a 0. So you find out how many times 8 comes for 70. So we just open here. Since you kept a dot, a decimal here, you have to keep a decimal here also. So 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48, 8 7s are 56. Almost it is near. 8 8s are 64. So 8 8s are 64. Just right below that, then close it. Just subtract this 2. 70 minus 64. How much it will be? It is 6. So 6 is less than 8. So we need to add another 0 and bring this 0 also below. Now 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48. 48 again you can add one 8. So it is 8 7s are 56. So just put a 7 here and write it 56 and close it. Again we are going for negative minusing. We get a 4. So 4 is less than 8. So we need to add another 0. Put a 0 here and add the same 0. Bring the same 0 here. So 8 5s are 40. So just put here 8 5s are 40. So the remainder will be 0. So by the long division method you get 7 by 8. The decimal answer will be 8 7 5. So once again I'll go through the problem. Express 7 by 8 in the decimal form by long division method. So divide 7 by 8. So 7 is less than 8. So you keep a decimal here as well as here. Then add a 0. So it becomes 70. 8 6 8 8s are 64. You get a remainder. If you minus it 6, then it's 6 is less than 8. So you add another 0. 8 7s are 56. You get a remainder 4. 4 is less than 8. You add another 0. It's 40. 8 5s are 40. It's 0. So 7 divided by 8 is equal to 0.875. We will be seeing another problem. Express minus 17 by 8 in decimal form by long division method. So you can see here,
division is not a new concept, but from the beginning of the creation of the world, God did a long division. If you turn on the Bible, Genesis 1:4, second part, God divided the light from the darkness.
Minus 17 by 8. So this is a negative number. The previous one you saw it as a positive number. Now take 17 inside and 8 outside of the division. So 17 is greater than 8. So we can directly solve it like this. 8 2s are 16. So you get a remainder 1. When you minus, you get a remainder 1. So 1 is less than 8. But we didn't get till now 0. So 1 is less than 8. So we put a decimal here as well as a decimal here. Then we will be adding a 0 here. We will be bringing that 0 down here. So 10 is greater than 8. So 8 ones are 8. So you get a remainder 2 when you subtract it. So 2 is less than 8. So you have to add another 0 here, and you can add bring that 0 here. So 8 2s are again 16. So you get a remainder by minusing 4. So 4 is again less than 8. So you have to add another 0, and you can bring that 0 down. So 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, and 8 5s are 40. So you get a remainder 0. 8 5s are 40, and you get a remainder 0. So by long division method, you get an answer for the decimal. Minus 17 by 8 is equal to 2.125. Since there's a minus here, we have to use the minus, and this is the answer. I hope, dear students, you might have understood this long division method, but this is just a small basic of introduction, but you need to practice more and more problems. We will be publishing it frequently. You can kindly subscribe and click the bell around it. And I thank you all who have watched up to the end. Thank you for viewing this. Thank you. Thank you.